Stay stylish while you're having fun in this unique collaboration between Heelys and Star Wars. This silhouette features artwork of Darth Vader showing off those dark black tones with red highlights, keeping it iconic while also remaining durable with some strong canvas. The reinforced rubber toe cap adds a unique nostalgic flair, and it stays pretty reinforced on the inside as well, giving it better balance with an internal heel counter. The traditional lace-up has some metal eyelets for a customized fit, and the inner lining stays breathable with extra padding in that foam footbed underfoot. Underneath is a skater-inspired vulcanized outsole that has a great grippy rubber, keeping it reliable as a brake with flex no matter where you're rolling with that wheel in the back. The wheel can be replaced with the help of a tool and a pad so you can control when you're walking and you're rolling with a fantastic design.